Hello everyone, I am Radu Jagat. Now we discuss one question from LRDI set, slot 2, CAT 2024, 5 question LRDI set. Total 5 sets and 5 into 3, 15 sets. All will be discussed one by one in coming videos. And all quantitative aptitude questions of 3 sets will be discussed in coming videos. Please stay tuned to my channel. Thank you. This is the LRDI set slot 2 2024, and now we discuss here numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10 numbers are placed in all 10 rows, 10 boxes in the given diagram. Here it consists of row 4 and column 4. 16 and blocks are available. Out of that, only 10 are remaining, and the rest of the blocks are erased. And all these 10 numbers should be occupied by these boxes. And according to the given conditions 1 to 6. The first condition saying that numbers in any row appear in an increasing order from left to right. So left to right means this is increasing order means this arrow should have biggest number and this should have smallest number, small. That thing we can understand. Next question is statement 2 saying that numbers in any column appear in decreasing order from top to bottom. From top to bottom decreasing. Top to bottom decreasing means top to bottom, bottom to top increasing. So bottom to top increasing means a number should be like this. So again, this bigger number should be here and the smaller number should be here. And we can say, and it is also given that we can understand that big is, so this should be exact, this should be definitely 10. Why? Because biggest number out of all these, all 1 to 10 will be 10. That should be intersection of these possibilities. One can be occupying either here or here or here or here. Out of all these four, one can be located anywhere. And from the third point, it is saying that one is placed either in the same row or in the same column as 10. So one is placed either in the same row or same column. Here or here, one is kept. So this is ruled out, this is ruled out, this is ruled out. So we are making two cases. So this is one fixed and this is also one fixed, two cases. And this is 10 and third is over. Now fourth, neither 2 nor 3 is placed in the same row or in the same column as 10. So 10 is here, its corresponding row. This row cannot be occupied by 2, 3 and this column cannot be occupied by 2, 3. So 2, 3 can be occupied by this portion, this or this, only 3 blocks. So first we check if 2 is here, what happens? Below that 2, 1 should be towards left. 1 is already occupying. So this position has no value. So 2 cannot be positioned here. And if we put 3, 2 cannot be occupied. Okay, 1 second. If we put 2 here, this has no number. So that is not possible for 2. So this is avoided. And now if we put 3, what happens? This can be occupied by 2, that justifiable. But below that, this should be occupied by another small number. Already 1, 2. Below 3, it is only 1 and 2 are present. So this number this has no block, no number. So this is also not possible. So conclusion is that 2 and 3 cannot be occupied in this part. 2 and 3 can be occupied either here or here. We will check. Now if we put 2 here and we can put 3 here according to the given condition, this portion 2 and 3 cannot be occupied, and 1, 2, 3 positions are 2, 3 positions are fixed. One is not fixed as far as of now, and this is also 2. No. Okay, another thing, if this is 2, this can be 3. And another thing we can say, if this is 3, what happens? 2 can be put here. That is also no problem. Check. If this is 3 and this is 1, no problem. Below there is no number. Upper there can be bigger number than that of 3. This is 2. So 2 by 3, 3 by 2 is making one set, making 2 cases. Now this is okay. Now we can say that Fourth point. Fourth point is saying neither 2 nor okay. Fifth point, neither 7 nor 8 is placed in the same row or in the same column. And sixth point is saying 4 and 6 are placed in the same row. So there should be one row having two blocks compulsorily for 4 and 6. If we observe, these two should be 4 and 6, or 6 and 4, or two should be 4 and 6. If we observe 1, 4, 6, 10, 4, 6. Here 3 4 6 2 4 6 3 4 3 4 is making possibility, but it is violating point 0.5. Neither 7 or 8 is placed in the same row as in the same column. So under this condition, if we put 4 6 in the row 1, in another way we can make. In another way, we can check. Here we try with 9 first. 9 should be very nearer to the number 10. Then only it is possible. So 9 have three possibilities, here or here or here. And the condition is saying, five condition is saying neither 7 nor 8 is placed in the same row or in the same column. So same row. If first we are considering 9 is located here. Another condition, this and this 7 and 8 cannot be occupied. So 7 and 8 can be occupied anywhere. But if we make hmm, if we put 9 in this place, what happens? 7 and 8, 5 and 6 numbers are present. So 4 and 6 should be in the same row. So this has no room. So 4 and 6, these two should be 4 and 6. And definitely now 7 and 8 are having possibility for, I repeat, if 9 is in this point, this row and this column cannot be occupied by 7 and 8. So 4, 6 has only room. This is 4 and this is 6. And what are the remaining numbers? 5, 7, 8. So 7 and 8 cannot be occupied in the row and a column corresponding to that. So these two should be 8 and 7. So 7 and 8, 7 and 8 are 8 by 7 can be occupied. So meeting the condition. No. Here it is 6 and this is 10. 10, 6, 7 and 8 violating the condition. Therefore, this 9 is not possible. And therefore, we can move to next point. As of now, 2, 3 are fixed and 3, 2 are fixed, and this 9 is violating the condition. Therefore, it can be taken out. Now, with 1 here and with 1 here and now 9. If we put 9 here, what happens? If we put 9 here, this is one row and this is no column. So one row should be occupied by 4 and 6. Therefore, these two should be 4 and 6. Another condition, 7 and 8 and 5. This row and this column cannot be occupied by 7 and 8. Therefore, these two should be 7 by 8 and 8 by 7, 7 by 8 and 8 by 7, meeting the condition. But again, this is coming 5. So 10, 5, 7, 8 is violating the condition. Therefore, 9 cannot be put here also. And 9 cannot be put here also. So conclusion is that element 1 cannot be occupied either in row 1, column 1 or anywhere, and 1 is located here only, and it is final and confirmed according to the conditions. And this is 2 by 3 and this is 3 by 2 fixed. And now coming to the points, 9. If we put 9 here, what happens? This is not 1 is here. And now coming to the point, 4 and 6 should be placed in the same row. 4 and 6, these two should be 4 and 6 are anywhere here, and 9 should be located very close to the 10 only. So again we are checking 9 here. Under that condition, 9 here. Under that condition, what next? 7 and 8. 7 and 8 placed in the same row. Neither 7 and 8 are placed in the same row or in the same column as that of 9. So 7 and 8 cannot occupy this part and this part. Therefore, this is possible. So 1 is here. 7 and 8 means 8 and 7 can be kept like this. And 4 and 6. And 4 and 6. are separate. 7 and 8 cannot be placed in the meeting the condition. 4 and 6. So 4 is here, 6 is here, that is possible. 4 6 is possible, and this will be 5, meeting all the conditions. So this is one final set, and we have checked only 9 corresponding to row 1 column 3, but row 2 column 3 and row 3 row 2 column 4 should be checked. So this is one final case, and other cases we are checking. This is 2 by 3, this is 3 by 2, and 9 if it is 9, what happens? This row and this column cannot be occupied by 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 should be here or here. 4 and 6 should be in the same row. So 4 6 according to point 6, 4 and 6 should be same row. And 8 and 7, 8 and 7 means 8 and 7 can be kept like this, no problem. But if we observe, 5 has to move, put in this part. 5 9 2 by 3, this is violating the condition. Therefore 9 cannot be occupying row 2 column 3. This is ruled out, and this is ruled out. Understood? 5 cannot occupy this point. Why? Because 5 9 3 by 2 is violating condition 2, and therefore 9 in this point is ruled out. 9, if we put 9 here, what happens? This row and this column cannot be occupied by 7 and 8 according to point 5. So 7 and 8 should be located somewhere here. For that, now to put 4 and 6 in the same row, there is no room. Why? Because 7 and 8 should be occupying these two, any two of these three blocks. So 4 and 6 should also occupy the same row. So that is not possible. So 9 has only one possibility. That is this final condition. This is final condition. So conclusion is that 4 6 9. So conclusion is that 4 6 9 and 10. Below that, this is 2 by 3, this is 3 by no, this is 5, this is 8, this is 7, this is 3 by 2, and below that it is 1. Now based on this, we can answer questions. So first question, what is the row number which has the least, what is the row number which has the, one second, what is the row number which has the least sum of numbers placed in that row? So only row 4 is having only 1, therefore this is row 4. This is row 4. Question number 3, for how many slots in the grid placement of numbers cannot be determined with certainty? Two slots in the grid, this is 2 by 3 and this is 3 by 2. So answer is theta question 2. Answer is 2 here. What is the sum of the numbers placed in the column 4? Column 4, we are having what are the numbers? 10, 8, 7, 1. 7, 1, 8, 8, 16, 26. So answer for this question number 20, question number 4 is 26. What is the sum of the numbers placed in the column? What is the sum of the numbers placed in the column number 4? Okay, this question is repeated. One question might be missing. What is the sum of the numbers placed in the, I check. What is the sum of the numbers placed in the column number 4? Okay, first question is missed. What is the row number which has the least sum of numbers placed in the row? That is also present. Okay, and some question might be missing. Okay, which of the following statements must be true? Question number 2, which of the following statements must be true? 1, 10 is placed in slot row 1. It is true. 10 is placed in slot row 1. And 1 is placed in a slot in row 4. That is also true. So both are true. Both 1 and 2 are true. Thank you all. If you like my video, please like it. Please share my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.